Alright everyone, welcome to a Pony Joe video. This is just going to be a quick video. I don't know why, but I'm going to try this right here. The Top Ramen Microwave Cooker. Now, I see these hanging at my work all the time. And I guess all you do is add ramen. Yeah, just add the ramen, add the water, microwave for 3 minutes, and then add seasoning and enjoy. So I've already got some ramen going in there. So I'm going to go grab it, see what it looks like, and just see if it works as good. Got chopsticks instead. So I'm going to go get that, and I will be right back. So bear with me. Alright, so I can already tell that this is not going to work that I know of the greatest. This is what they look like. This is what it looks like 3 minutes microwaved. Now I make it through the coffee pot. I've got that video somewhere, but I don't know. This doesn't look promising at all. I think I'd rather run the water through the coffee pot and let it sit in the coffee pot for that long instead of do it with this thing, because this, I don't know. Then again, my microwave is only 900 watts. So that's hot. Let's hit my thumb. I mean, there's still a hard noodle right there, and I don't like hard noodle ramen. I don't like hard ramen. I don't know. I'll have to do a side-by-side cookery video. Cooking, well, not really cooking, but just pasta making, ramen making. I'm gonna get this right. Ramen making, between letting it sit in a coffee pot thing, wherever it could be, to making it in this thing. I don't think I've ever had the chili flavor. Whew. Eh, not too bad. And I just completely missed my garbage can. Ooh, what I really want to try is that spicy kind that I've seen people do challenge videos of. Just to see how spicy it really is. See if they're not just blowing smoke. Maybe that's what I'll do. I'll make videos of people overreacting to stuff that's not really meant to be bad. I don't know. I think I'm liking. I don't know. I think I'm still liking my. Let's see if you can see it. Probably not. I'm still liking my coffee pot way, because at least there I can let it sit there and bask in all its glory. Get this away from my keyboard so it doesn't. Well, I could push the keyboard in. Push all that in so it doesn't gloop on my keyboard. Well, I don't know. I think, if anything, I'll stick to the coffee pot. But I will do a side-by-side eventually. I don't know when. of cooking ramen with this, or through the coffee maker. Running the hot water through the coffee maker and let it sit in the pot. So until next time, I'm going to enjoy my noodles. Not on camera. Okay, besides that one. And I will see everyone next time. So, this is Pony Joe. I'm signing off, and I will see you guys next time. Peace.